Now, studying function of the guidance and the counseling in the three phases: adjustmental, development, and orientation. Mental means for adjustment means whenever to in best example to given like a one bench is in your stay like a four students means what is the adjustment, right? And second one is the developmental means how to changes in your lifestyle and how to development means one standard to second standard to third standard, right? Improvement in your life. First standard to change a basic level. Second standard is a mirror like some seriousness, and third point is a, like a higher level, like means development occur in your lifestyle. Third one is the orientation, means what is going in your life and what is the function basic level orientation, like in the basic structures and the size and all to give in the suggestions. And slide is a principle of the guidance according to Crow and Crow. So first one is the all-rounder development of individuals. Individuals have so many problems in your lifestyle that time to give a basic level to clear and the development in your lifestyle and the particular problems to individuals, so that time to give a best suggestion for that and the guidance related to every aspect for a life cooperating and among a person means depend on the person to give a guidance and a cooperative with other people. Guidance is a continuous lifelong process. Is guidance for all principle and elaboration for a responsibility. Means how to responsible person to give a good advice, like a teachers, the high authority persons, counselor to give a best suggestion for that. Parents also to give a good counselor. Is it means a flexibility for the child because he is know well what is your behavior, your attitude, your personality in your childhood period to the adulthood periods to know very well what you want, right? So in the guidance to train a main person and how to treat, how to problem to solve, that time to give a better advice for our parents. And the last one is the principle of the periodic appreciation. Means what is the problem? Is the main focus here of problem and that time to give a base suggestion. And the third one is the principle of the guidance. In the according the Hollis, the dignity of the individual is supreme. Means the means your high authority to solve your problem. In the high authority, like have a research problem, that time to give a maintain your professionalism and your basic level to the last level in the research to complete your work. Each individual is the difference from every other individual. Means have a personal problem, social problem in the different way to give a good counselor, give a good counseling. And the primary concept of the guidance is individual in the social setting. Means what is a social life what is a social life to give a good guidance for a particular topic. And the fourth one is the attitude, personal perception in individual are a basic on which he acts. Means depend on the person how to behavior to the other person. Here a personal to one to one person to talk and how like a one to other person to how to talk, right? Means depend on the condition, your behavior or your act. All these notice in your video. The individual general act to enhance his and perceive self. The individual has the innate ability to learn. Means you check your ability. That time to like your knowledge, your experience, how to behavior for other people, right? And your learning method, how to teach the other students and the like a patient care and the individual needs and continuous guidance the process from early means depend on the patient care. What is the patient needs, right? Needs care like give a medication care, your physically, mentally support for that. Which particular things to give a best advice for childhood to the adulthood, and like in your childhood period and adulthood period. Sometimes there are many differences in your lifestyle and the all things, and also your behavior. So that tend to changes in your mind whenever to give a guidance and the counsel. Each individual may need to information and the personalized had the personally problem to the solve and give to the particularly information for that. And next move to the types and area of the guidance service. Personal guidance means one person to one person talking and to give a good guidance, good way. Second one is the social guidance means social problems occur at time to give a good advice for. Educational guidance, education related activity for that. Vocational guidance, business related to give advice means business like sometimes to increase the fund, sometimes to decrease the fund, sometimes not achievement your goal, and sometimes all to lost it. So whenever to in the business, that time to give a good advice, my suggestion to give a high authorities, health guidance means nowadays. Corona occur. So that time to good to give a health counselor and give a best suggestion for that to give a high rich diet to take it and protein take diet like eggs and sprouts to take for a good health and also doing exercise and all for a best lifestyle. And the last one is the avocational means improvement your lifestyle. And next move to the organization of the counselor for the service. Types of firm and the organization of the counseling service in the educational institutions. Centralization counseling service for a base, the entire responsibility of the guidance and counseling service is the vestige upon a group of the trained personnel of the department in guidance and counseling service. Means in the centralized counseling service for the base suggestion for what? Particularly topic, particularly group, training the personal training in the department, like a MSc department, BSc department, and the all types of like a basic level of the department to give a service it related. Depend on your work, depend on your condition to give a base guidance. Second one is the decentralized counseling service. The responsibility of the counseling service is vested upon the teachers, right? Depend on the condition, like different ways to give a responsibility. And third one is a combination of the centralization, the decentralization counseling service. So first is a mix from guidance and counseling. Mix of guidance counseling. There are so many problems occur that tend to give a mix up to give a good counseling like your lifestyle, your professionalism, and your education level and all. Second one is the services provided by teacher and expert connectivity. I already told it. Um, Only counselor give us the best suggestion for a all. And next, move to the purpose of the organization and counseling service to help individuals that are normal development problems, right? In your life, there are normal problems occur that time to give a base suggestion for that. And the temporary crisis during the different stages in there are four phases in your lifestyle. So in the first phase is to the solve in these your problems to identify a signs that whenever you are depressed or whenever to in your severe stages that identifies like you are depressed, anxiety, and angriness, and your mood is always like off, and you are not talking any person. So that time to the sign of your physically in your stages is referred critical specialization for a best possible manner, right? Means positive way only to in the crisis intervention that tend to give a like a good manners in the lifestyle to facilitate communication within between a nursing institution and the that time to give a all facility available in the nursing home and all. So give the good means give particular topic or particular problems to the solve this in your nursing home, your good advice to support on not only the tutor nursing faculty who are helping individuals but who is them want to guide us and resources them. This whenever to give a support your education problem to that time to give a best faculty for that and the best support it for helping your problems. And the next is the basic components of the counseling service. So counseling center, counseling committee, tools for counseling service, and requirement of the counseling service. So next here